Raymond Allen Martin Legaspi Santiago, born July 20th, 1973, known for his screen name Raymart Santiago, is a Filipino actor, comedian, and host. After making his movie debut in Viva Films' youth comedy Estudiante Blues, Santiago became a Viva contract artist and began making guest appearances on television programs while continuing in high school. Among the comedy movies he appeared in were Wooly Bully, Classmate Kong Alien, Wooly Bully 2, Aengi Tetser Kong Alien, and Peka Taikat. Not long after, Viva launched him as a junior comedian in the movie Rocky and Rolly, in which he starred opposite Jimmy Santos. The movie was a success, and he went on to Tootsie Wootsie, where he worked with Herbert Bautista and Kimpi de Leon. Sometimes afterward, Santiago transitioned to action films with Angelito San Miguel, Batang City Jail, and went on to star in Magnang Rihas, Pita, Terror NG Kalukan, Noel Juico, Batang Criminal, and Dillinger NG Dos Pairs. His last major movie as an action star was SGT Santos Batang Sundalo in 2001. In 1998, Santiago signed up as a contract star for GMA Network, which gave him his first action sitcom, Cool Kalang. The sitcom was initially directed by his brother Randy, who gave it up after signing on as lead host of ABS-CBN's noontime show Magandang Tanghalian. Cool Kalang aired through 2003. In 2009, Santiago was seen in Darna, where he plays a news photographer. The following year, Santiago returned to Drama via Claudine, a weekly drama miniseries on GMA Network, appearing with his real wife, Claudine Barretto Santiago. In 2016, Santiago returned to comedy with Superhero. In 2018, Santiago transferred to ABS-CBN after being with GMA Network for 2 decades. He appeared in Starla and FPJ's Aengi Provinciano. Santiago later returned to GMA Network in 2023 as he joined the cast of Black Rider. Controversy. On July 13, 2007, Santiago and his wife Claudine Barretto admitted they did not know that Francois Investment, which accepted their money, was involved in a pyramid scam. Their lawyer, Ellen Veza, told NBI agents that the Barrettos had invested in Francois, but declined to say if they recruited other investors. Francois duped Filipinos of almost P1 billion. Santiago married actress Claudine Barretto on March 27, 2006 at Tagaytay Highlands in Tagaytay, Cavite. The couple adopted a daughter, Sabina Natasha, at 2 months old in July 2004. Their son Santino was later born in 2008. Actor Raymart Santiago responded to claims by Estrella Inde Barretto, matriarch of the Barretto family, that he allegedly abused his ex-wife Claudine Barretto, Inde's youngest daughter. Inde was interviewed by showbiz reporter Ogie Diaz on the latter's YouTube channel, where she accused Raymart of physically and emotionally hurting Claudine. She even claimed that the former couple's son Santino witnessed the supposed abuse and that Raymart took the properties initially intended for their children. Raymart quickly fired back with the aid of legal representatives from Kalea Law in a statement, which Ogie posted on his social media accounts, strongly denying Inde's allegations. It is very unfortunate that Mrs. Barretto opted to resort to publicity to spread this untruthful and slanderous narrative, Raymart's statement said, adding that Claudine also repeatedly exploited social media and sought recourse through trial by publicity to discredit him. According to Raymart's lawyers, Inde's frustrations stem from the conjugal land Claudine sold 3 years ago without Raymart's knowledge. They further stated that Raymart does not want to take part in any dispute involving or irregularity that Claudine may have committed. The Kalea Law lawyers reminded the Barrettos about a September 2023 gag order from a Mandaluyong City Family Court, which Raymart faithfully complied with, having kept peace all these years. They called on Claudine and her family to do the same out of respect for the rule of law and for the former couple's children. Let this be a final warning that any utterances in contravention of the law shall be dealt with before the appropriate forum to protect our client's rights and to preserve his interests, the statement ended. Claudine and Raymart married in 2006, but filed for annulment in 2013. Santino is their only biological child, though Claudine later adopted kids Sabina, Quia, and Noah. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.